Open up, it's dark in here. Oh. Yeah. Alright, that's a little better. The fridge tour. There you go. Recent batch of a homemade apple butter. Plain yogurt. I'm learning to like it. Big tub of spread. Last a couple of months. Old salsa. Last bit of homemade plum jam. Second floor. Meats, cheese and stuff. Leftovers. Unknown origin. Cannot be... Oh yeah. That's the cabbage and that carrot salad I made from stuff in my garden. That's good. Eggs. Never have enough eggs. Liquid department. Third floor. Juice. Iced coffee. Enough for one more Caesar. Gotta restock. Cold water. Gotta keep hydrated in Arizona. More canned applesauce. And a woefully understocked supply of beer. Stay tuned for our next episode when we explore the vegetable drawer. You'll have to don your safety glasses. Later.